What's going on, everybody? Auto Guy DIY coming at you with another little quick video on checking your battery and your alternator. You're gonna need a multimeter, so let's jump into this. So you get your multimeter, you put it on volts, or you get a voltmeter, put it on 20, that'll be plenty. You hook your negative up to your negative, hook your positive up to your positive, check it. You got 12.6 volts, which is what you need. A battery should hold 12. That's what you need to make it run. Now to check your alternator, you start your car up. See how it goes up, 13.7, 13.8. At that point, you know your alternator is charging your system because you're up above 12 volts. Look, 14 volts. So that's what you're looking for. With all of that, this is Auto Guy DIY. Keep living the dream, doing your thing. Like and subscribe.